Hello everyone, hello Aries. This is your weekly career, business and money from 14th September to 20th September. Being a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. The most important aspect now in planetary positions is like Mars going retrograde. That is from 9th September to 13th September. Lot of patience is required, because this fiery planet of ambition and drive will just go retrograde. Things which were gaining momentum or was to about gain momentum, you'll feel that suddenly things have got slowed down, or actually maybe halt also. So have patience. We have to go according to that. Saturn and Jupiter already in retrograde adds to the misery. So let's see what the tarot has for Aries. And Aries people, it's Mars is going retrograde in Aries, so you are the one who's going to get impacted majorly. So have patience, peace of mind, practice spiritual yoga, meditation to cut down your stress and frustration, and hopefully we'll have some awesome stuff this week. So let's begin. See the first card, patience, temperance card. Patience, balance is what you need, Aries. Maybe there will be times which would feel frustrating. You would feel things are not working, all what I said just few minutes back. So this is a Sagittarius card, Sagittarius energy, and let's see. So balance, patience is what is needed to avoid frustration, to manage delays. So let's see what else. Okay, so this is like Queen of Swords. So you might there could be situations where you could be really angry or really lose your cool or temper, and you would try to be vocal about what you want. It could be in business, career situation, at your job. You would try to speak, that is, you need to hold your tongue. This is what I get, because you're getting with the Sagittarius card here. Sagittarius card, maintain balance, peace, and so this is like hold on your tongue. Do not be rude, do not be because this is like the planetary aspect which is going to make you do this. So you need to look into this. Also you might there will be lot of thoughts going inside your mind, and you might try to cut down situation or people from your life who do not serve you anymore, but like it has to be done in a more comforting way. This is what I get for this week. So hold on your temper and maintain peace and balance. What else for Aries? Okay, so here comes options. Let me pull out one more card. What is the other card? Okay, so do not go into confusion. This is, you will maybe you can be confused. There are a lot of options, there will be lot of ideas. This is Cups energy, so lot of creative ideas, or maybe lot of ideas as such, but it is telling you to gain the focus. You need not lose your focus. You need to be focused. You need to take the control of the situation, and to avoid this confusion. So there could be some confusing things happening in which you need to regain your focus, take things in your, and be passionate and passionate and visionary kind of. You have to see the larger picture. So basically it's asking you to avoid confusions in any, either in the job situation or business situation, and tunnel vision. Do not tunnel vision. You need to cut down the options. If you are having multiple options going inside your head, it will be a scattered energy. So cut down to one or two options, take control, be passionate like the Queen of Wands, an entrepreneur, a visionary, a fiery, passionate person who can reach his goals, reach his success. But you need to cut down this many options so that you can move forward in a more focused way. So this is again Aries. Let's see what else. This is again Two of Swords. You might be in some kind of, again it talks about confusion. Maybe it could be confusion in the mind about, or it could be in situation. It could be related to your work life and personal life. This could be also related to, trying to find answers within for certain situations in your life. It could be job, money. So it is like you need to make a decision now. What do we get out with this card? Okay, so there is Ace of Cups. Here you can see there is a new beginning. For some Aries, it's a good news. See, this cup is overflowing. Maybe you have an offer letter, of a job, but you are in two minds, or a career or partnership situation, you have, or an association, anything. It could be you have option here, two options you have, but it is high time to decide now. And this is definitely regarding something new beginnings, and you have to come out of this confusion. You will make a decision maybe this week regarding a job situation, partnership, anything, it could be any situation. It could be a situation, it could be a person too, partnership with a certain person, that kind of. So this is what I get here. Let's see what else. The Moon card, and what else is with the Moon card? Oh, so some of you Aries are this Moon card coming like it's a card of illusion. It is card of unknown, fear of unknown things, and that is getting you restless. There will be a situation, maybe it could be for some of you Aries, in a job situation where you could feel there could be certain fears, certain anxieties regarding, also in a business situation, or a deal coming through or not, or the partnership going through or not, or you getting a job or not. So this is making you feel that maybe it has come from the last week's energy also. So you might feel a little indecisive and unclear, and in a state of illusion regarding a certain situation. Here it sees it's giving you a lot of pain, it is giving you a lot of sorrow. But this card coming with the Ten of Swords, it's saying that things, this is the last, this week, after things are going to get clearer. This is the last cycle. After this you get clarity, you will get the pathway, you can break the pathway. The clarity will come to you regarding whatever situation you are in an illusion with, or if there is a secret, it's gonna come out. So this is talking, even if it is your mind, maybe you are disturbed, maybe you are stressed. So that is also, this is, you are really going through a lot. For those for whom whatever it resonates, but this is the ending of that cycle. Ten of Swords. After this there is a new beginning, there is a new new beginnings and new path coming here. So this is what I get here. One more, and then so definitely it seems that you have no new beginnings here, but your patience is like the key. Patience and balance is the key here. So one card, and okay, so here we have, this is like you are some of you are looking at expansion, collaboration, association. You're trying to figure out resources for your business, for your job, for expansion here. This is what you have in your mind, but there is certain things which is like you are not happy with the situation here. You wanted to expand, but there are certain things going inside, certain thoughts going inside your mind. See, it is a this is a bond energy, this is water energy. So element wise they are they do not together they do not gel well. It's a negative situation here with water, the cups, and this is the fire. So there are conflicting, you want to do something, but then you have so many thoughts which makes you self-absorbed, which makes you feel stuck. You are not taking the step forward. But you can see here there is a helping hand, there is a reaching out. So you just need to look around and see. Definitely things, there is somebody to help you out here. Reach out to your friends, family, it's a divine help which could come in, so just reach out to them. And this that waiting you have been doing for, collaboration, association, expanding your business, looking at new avenues, looking at resources, so this, or even travel, far distance travel, there is something that you have been thinking and you have not been taking action. So this is the time that you have to come out of this energy for this to happen. So definitely it seems a good week, Aries. Here I will just pull out one angel guidance card, and let's hopefully, this guidance is going to help you. So new beginnings, oh definitely, see you have the Ace of Cups here, so definitely this is new beginnings card. It's really going to be great for you, it's going to be fulfilling. So new job, new partnership, new for whoever, so take life in a new way. This is really awesome card. I mean, new Ace of Cups and the new beginnings card. So that good, Aries. If you do like, this is it for this week. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, comment, and thanks for taking your time out and watching the video. See you in the next reading. Thank you.